Let's learn IIB. IIB or IBM Integration Bus is an ESB offering from IBM. Today we will download developer version of IIB from IBM's portal. We will download developer version of IIB. To do that, go to Google, type IIB download, and the first link that you get, you can follow that as shown in the screen to download your version of IIB. I have added the download link to the video's description. Use your IBM account to log in. If you don't have an account, create it. It will take you to a page where you see a download button. Click on the download button. Now we get routed to the login page for IBM. Use your existing IBM account. You acknowledge the data use policies mentioned on the page, and you provide reason why you're downloading this software. And after that, select version 10 IIB. The platform shows us Linux, but it's for both Linux and Windows. So click IIB version 10 and continue. When you do that, it gives you two executables, one for Linux and the other for Windows. Select your platform and click on download. That's it. IIB software is now downloaded on your machine. After this, all you have to do is, once you download the executable, once it's completely downloaded, just double click on the executable, and by clicking on the accept IBM's policy agreement, it will install the software for you on your Windows machine. You don't have to provide any other details. So software will be installed in C program files IBM IIB and then followed by the version number. So in this folder you can find your software installed, and to access your software, type IIB toolkit. When you type IIB toolkit, it will open up the toolkit for you, and your installation is now complete. In the next video, we'll see a sample project created in IIB